everyone, my name is Ariel Smith, head girl of Mineralize Primary School. I know some of you guys are nervous for the PEP exams. You should not be. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And if you remember all the strategies your teachers taught you to prepare, for example, the 3 reads, you can do your best and God will do the rest.
Hi, my name is Cheyenne. I know that some of you are worried about your performance tasks later on this week. So here's a tip. Remember, all parts of the performance tasks are connected. So what goes on in one part carries over to the next part. So pay careful attention so that you should get all the marks you should get. I wish you the best of luck on your performance tasks.
Hi, my name is Chrisara Langley. I know some of you guys might be anxious for our upcoming performance task exam, but you don't have to be afraid. You have been provided with resources that will help you to pass this exam. As my teacher says, we worry about 90% of the things that will never come true. So do your best.